Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper arms. Pinch with 2 fingers the 2 plastic tabs located on both sides of the arm, then slide the blade outwards to remove it. Place a cloth or folded paper towels onto the windscreen to protect the glass as you place the arm down. To put in place the new wipers, slide them down the arm of the wiper and clip it. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Position the new wiper so that the small fixing bar is located in front of the hollow used to house the wiper. Once again, holding onto the arm of the windshield wiper, apply pressure towards you to reclip the new rubber wiper. Operation completed.